There. Hi folks, today I want to show you how to create a blog very easily in the high-level ecosystem in our Business-in-a-Box with a template that you can use for any wellness business like a chiropractor, wellness coach, physiotherapy, spa, massage therapist, chiropractor, I already said, any wellness business, dentist is perfect, and they all can do it that way. Now, that's what we are specialized on. So let me show you how you do that. Of course, you can have us do it for you, which makes things easier. You just click on the Sites tab, and here you go. You need to create a website for blogs. I have 2 blogs here. Let's say you are a yoga studio offering high-quality yoga sessions to your clients. Well, you want to write about yoga, don't you? Of course you do, because as a yoga studio owner, you know all about the benefits of yoga and how great it is for body, mind, and soul. All you need to do on Go High Level is click the button, Create a Blog Site. Once you do it, you can set it up. My yoga blog. Domain and slug, there's no domain here, so you can say blog, or you can call it articles, or you can call it news, whatever works for you. Let's call it blog, and then you can have a meta description. That's what Google looks for, and Facebook, to know who to show your blog for. Description of yoga and why every health conscious, say it's for parent should practice yoga daily for holistic health. Now I have to fix my my spelling errors. Health conscious. Obviously, English is not my first language. That doesn't mean I don't know how to spell it. No, it's still loading. My computer's a little slow when I mentioned, so probably it comes back with 2 I's when it's fixed. But you get the gist. And as you see, that was too many letters, right? It only can take 100, so I have to take this away. Fix the I because it looks better. Daily for health. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, it's 97 signs. So you have to adapt it and have a very short description that is hopefully keyword rich. The most important keywords here are yoga, health conscious, parents, and health. And practice yoga is also a keyword. Keyword doesn't have to be one word, by the way. Unprocessable entity in this case because I didn't add a domain. But that said, this is all you need to do to create your blog site. Now, how do you go from here? Once you have added your domain and created your blog, you can easily create an author name and description. You can have several authors. You can have categories. You can have an RSS feed. Now, if you don't know what an RSS feed is, I'll create a video specifically about that. It is when you scrape the information from other websites. For example, my personal blog post, the blog website, that's a website I started with 10 years ago. I still maintain it more or less. Now, this has an RSS feed, and I know that the link is this. And this is the feed. Sorry, I should have put it here. So that's my fault. Select the blog, which blog. I haven't selected a full, and then number of posts, load full content, and then you can just add it. It's really simple to do it. You can scrape everything in here. Now, of course, when you write blog posts, you can have your AI employee, which is included, access to an AI employee is included in every Business-in-a-Box. So you might want to look at this. And I'll show you in a different video how to actually create an SEO optimized blog post inside the Business-in-a-Box site.